Hey everybody, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the blade on a Makita. This one's a 2705 model 10-inch blade. Nice and simple.
Yeah, make sure that it's disconnected, okay?
Yeah,
Before
disconnected
you do
first.
anything with the blade, make sure it's disconnected. Remove this, you see this little handle here? Pull it over this way and remove this.
Yep.
See? That's simple. Now here is another one.
Pull it towards you. Yep. And that pops up.
So, two levels, okay? And then you see here it has a Phillips screw. So remove that one screw, that's all you have to do. Don't worry about the other little things, the other little 4 screws there, okay?
Yeah, in this case there's nothing here.
Okay, so this is already removed. We put this here. And this whole thing lift up.
Yep. Then with the lever, we can use the lever to lift up the blade so we have access to the nut turning this around. Okay, back here, we're gonna remove the nut now. So he's gonna use the pressure pliers to hold the blade. He's gonna use the little wrench to remove the nut.
Yep. And this loosens counterclockwise, okay?
Okay, if it's on too tight, you can use a pipe to remove it.
Yeah, you can use a pipe that will give you leverage, but in this case it was not too tight, so. The nut is removed.
Yep. Then you have to don't drop that. Okay, that's how it comes apart. Hopefully this video was useful. If you guys liked the video, give it a like.
Yeah, it's the blade removed.
You got the blade removed and you just simply put it back together the same way. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.